Okay, Ian again at Buildabizonline with another demo to show you one of our tools, and this is our Swiss Army knife of a URL tool. You can shrink, cloak, track and brand your URLs with this particular one. So without further ado, let us log into our members area again, and we'll go to cloak, track, shrink and brand. Again, it's a pro member tool. But it's a fantastic tool. So what I'm going to show you in this, I cleared this out, so I reset the counter just here, and basically what I did was, if I scroll right down to the bottom, as you can see I do a lot of tracking, I give this a name. They call it campaign name. Okay, my programmer, when he put this together, he called it campaign name, which is good. And then I put the original URL in there. And then I can choose from one of three at the moment to cloak. Okay, now you can either cloak it or not. It's entirely up to you, but you'll still get the stats anyway, I should say. And this is a branding bar, and you can either have it at the top of the page or the bottom of the page or hidden. Okay, so on each of these there'll be a branding bar at the top. So for instance, if I'm promoting something where I've got no opportunity of adding my branding, my name, my picture of me, so people know who it is, because branding is very, very important. People get to either like, know and trust you, or the opposite, which is a shame, but there you go. People have a choice, don't they? So if they see it's me in the branding bar, then they can join, and that links back to me if people click on that branding bar and they want to track and shrink like I am. So let's go up to the top. That was the original link, and this is what we call my programs page. Okay, and what I did, I used the baboo1.com, which is right down the bottom. So when I added this, I just chose Baboo1, and it was the very first one created. So I now can remember that really, really simple. Baboo1.com /C59. Great. And what I've done, I put this in here, and I gave the name of this campaign My Traffic Exchange, because this is absolutely fantastic. Okay, now, so this link is in all of my traffic exchanges, traffic programs, all the programs. All I ever do is promote that, and this is the page that they will see. Okay, only it'll have that link in the tab at the top. So if I wanted to save me going to all the traffic exchanges, all I need to do is click on edit, and I can edit this link without going to all the traffic exchanges and putting a new link in. All I need to do is edit it, click save, put a new link in. That's it. And that's all my traffic exchanges, my traffic programs covered. Now the great thing about this was, we are now Friday. Let's have a look now. Tuesday, I click reset, and so I've had 5,700 hits, but only 5,063 are unique. In other words, some of these people in this list here have seen this link more than one time. Okay, now I can click on the stats and we'll see where they came from. So this will take a little bit to load up because of the video that we're making, but you can see how many clicks these have had today, and the unique clicks. But underneath that, it tells me where they come from. Okay, now that's what I'm going to show you, but that tells me where the clicks have come from, what programs. Okay, so that's enough on this demo. It's a really clever, fantastic tool, and as I say, I can look at the stats, I can edit this link, or I I could even change the cloaking URL as well, which I would never do because that would mess things up in all my advertising programs. I would keep this as it is, and all I would do is edit the destination URL just there. I can delete it, which I would never ever do, just there. So thanks for listening to this video. This is Ian signing out and saying thanks for listening and bye for now.